My name is McNeil and I'm the owner of Louison Automotive. Guys, this is my new Ram truck. I just picked it up. Literally came in yesterday, took it home last night for the first time. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I got this truck, what I plan on doing with it. There's going to be a lot of information packed into this video. So if you're a new dealer, you're going to see in this video, you can have a little bit of fun with the business too. And it's not always about the stressful trying to find a new car deal and the headaches that goes through the business. But also you can have a little bit of fun and drive the things you like. And that's a part of the business that I like. Second of all, it will be a quick walk around of the vehicle as well, because I'm going to use part of this video for marketing this car to sell it. Yes, I will sell it. So that answers the question what I'm going to do with it. Everything is always for sale in the life of a dealer, okay? But I always wanted to get back into a truck, and this is how I got into the truck. I'm going to tell you right now. But before I do that, obviously we got to do a little bit of housekeeping because I haven't posted a video in a while. So if you're new to the channel, by all means, please subscribe, like, share, and do all that kind of jazz. If you are a repeat person, by all means, also hit the like button. That does help. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that too, because we're trying to push more YouTube this year, and I'm going to be posting weekly videos now, okay? So it'll be videos like this. It'll be tips in the shop about things that we're repairing, automotive tips when you, as a dealer, and just the vlog of this types of flips, okay? So here's why I'm excited about this project. I've always wanted a truck, but what I really want is the Ram T-Rex. I gotta work my way up because that shit's expensive. There's just a lot of money tied up in that truck, and I don't want to tie up that kind of money in a truck right now or put myself in any kind of huge loan to finance it. I want to buy it cash and I want to work my way up. So that is the dream truck that I had. And why I say had is because Silencio Bruno! Silencian? Whatever the fuck they say their name. Who makes a car company manufacturer name?
Stellantis.
But the Chrysler brand created a new 2025 Ram that's coming out. I saw it in the auto show and I did a little bit of research on it online. And I think I kind of want that one better. And I'll tell you why. Of course, I like the Ram T-Rex because it has the performance and the off-road capabilities. But I'm not back home in St. Lucia, bro. If I'm in St. Lucia, then maybe I want that T-Rex so we can off-road that shit. Okay. I'm here in Canada. We don't really have anything to off-road here. It's a commuter truck, okay? So I like the newer 2025 model, not the T-Rex, the luxury package truck, because it's like my best explanation of it. It's kind of like a Mercedes S-Class on a truck. You got air suspension. I can, you see little clips of it here. It's actually a really nice truck. So I think I want to get into that instead. But I'm sure on the journey of getting to that, I will probably eventually buy a T-Rex anyway, just to have fun with it. So how do I plan on getting that? If you guys remember the Kia Soul that I got with the bad engine, and we replaced the engine in that. And I also had a Nissan Versa that was smashed on the side, and I replaced the door. That was a little cheap flip. I put those two monies together because I sold those two cars, and I put all this money into this truck. So I bought this truck. Keep in mind that I can have fun with that, and I can do that because my main bread and butter right now is the service shop, not necessarily selling cars. That's still like the hobby part of it for me, okay? So I got this truck here. I put all the money into this truck, and then the idea is I'm going to sell this truck. This truck is a 2017 sports model, so you do have navigation, you do have backup camera. This one comes with the heated steering, heated seats, heated mirrors, power folding mirrors. So this one also have Alpine stereo, like good quality stereo. Okay, it has the Hemi 5.7. It has the hood scoops on it. I fell in love with the Hemis all over again because, I had the Police OPP Cruiser, which also is a Hemi 5.7. So I do plan on selling that Charger too, just a FYI. That thing is going to be up for sale as well. So I put whatever I put into this truck. The idea is I'm going to flip it and try to get a better model truck, a better value truck, whether it be a newer year, better mileage, better trims, because this one doesn't have a sunroof, so maybe the next one will have a sunroof. And then kind of just build my way up until I get the T-Rex, until I get that 2025 truck. I'm gonna wrap this up. If you want to join us on the journey and see how I go from one truck to the next, by all means, subscribe, like, share, stick with us, and then I'm gonna take you along on the ride, okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.